So Janvi is showing the paper. Now she'll be doing the questions without using Abacus. So that's called as visualization. Even earlier, she performed all the calculations without using Abacus. So it's called mental math. 3, 2, 1, start. Start doing.
Done, sir.
Right, done. So you can see the time taken, everyone. It's 43 seconds, 44 seconds. So 2-digit 3 rows, 10 questions, 44 seconds is very good. Now she'll be showing multiplications and divisions also. Okay. Now we'll do the multiplications first. 2D into 1D. 3, 2, 1, start. Start doing.
76. 350. 172. 40. 276. 308. 35. 305. Sorry. 93. 465. 90. 288. Sir, done.
Right. So you can see, everyone, you can see the time as 47 seconds. 47.11. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 3, 2, 1, start. Start doing.
3 divided by 4, 77, and 390 divided by 5, 78. 1,747 divided by 9, 83, and 207 divided by 3, 69. 174 divided by 2, 87, and 273 divided by 7, 39. 462 divided by 7, 66. 371 divided by 7, 53. 140 divided by 5, 28. And 105 divided by 7, 15. Done.
Right. So this is more faster. 40 seconds. Okay. 40.6 means 41 seconds. Very good. So now Janvi has just shown her speed on paper as well. We have seen three kinds of practice. We have seen flashcards, we have seen dictations, and also on paper. So on these three kinds of practice, she has done really well. Now, right now, Janvi will be telling. I'll be telling a number. She'll be telling the multiplication table of it. So the number is